Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Jyoti and I create video on makeup, skincare, lifestyle and a lot more. If you're interested, then please do subscribe to my channel and also tap the notification bell to get all the latest updates. So without any further ado, let's just get started with today's video. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you guys few maxi dresses and kurta sets as well. So these are really pretty and I thought of like sharing with you guys, and I'm gonna tell you the size and the prices with the dress, so you can watch this video till the end if you want to get any maxi or any kurta sets. So first one we have is the beautiful net anarkali gown, and this is what it looks. So this basically light green in color, and it has like a very minimal kind of print all over this gown. So this is basically the gown. So it has like a very beautiful and a good quality net all over this maxi dress, and down at this you have this broad red border. So this really broad in the size, and I really love the border, so it just give you like a different look. So it has like basically two colors, so I really love this, and this is what it looks. And it is like a very beautiful leaf embroidery. So this is basically a net fabric, and this costed me around 1234, and this is in the size large, so you can definitely give this a try. I will be giving the code down in the description box, you can check that out. And the next one we have is this anarkali gown. So this is what it looks. So this is what it looks from up close. So it has like a very beautiful pink embroidery, pink flowers and a few small beads all over this top. So I really love this kurti. So it's basically it has like a middle cut. It's basically middle kind of slit. So yeah. So this has like this kind of slit in front, in the middle of the gown. So, and also it has like a very beautiful zigzag kind of embroidery, in the hands. So back of this dress you have a zip to open and close, and this is what it looks. I really love the material. It is like a very beautiful georgette kind of material. So it's not really thick in the material. It's basically very thin in the material. I really love the fabric also. So with this kurta you get a bottom and a dupatta. I'm gonna show how that looks. So this is what the bottom looks like. So this is what the bottoms look like. It has this elastic waistband, and down at this bottom where you have the same zigzag kind of embroidery. So I really love this, and also you get a very plain dupatta, and this is what it looks. I think it's just a kurta and a bottom. It's so beautiful. You don't need to add this dupatta. It's a very plain, so it's your choice. If you like to wear dupatta, then you can add, or else you can wear this as it is. So this is in the size large, and it costed me around 1524. So if you want to get this a very beautiful blue georgette kind of kurti set, then you can try this out. And then the next one we have is this, and this is what it looks. So this is basically a purple top with this coat. So this is basically a jacket kind of thing. So you get a kurta with the jacket. So I really love this jacket. It has like a very beautiful purple color. So it has this print all over this jacket. So it has this beautiful frills down at this jacket. You can see this. So inside the jacket you get this material. So this is basically a kurti. You need to stitch this out. This is basically semi-stitched kurti. So this is what it looks, and it has like a very proper lining inside this. So it has this, you know, a proper color lining, so it's not really see-through. And I really love the jacket as well. It's such a beautiful color with this, you know, such an embroidery look. So you can definitely give this a try. I really love this. So this dress costed me $14.90 and it's in the size large. So yeah, I really love this print and it has like a very beautiful frills. And the next one we have is this party wear organza gown, and this is what it looks. I really love the color. It's just a beautiful pink, you know, vibrant color. And in front of this you have this small beads all over the neck. So yeah, and it has like this beautiful print all over the sleeves. So down at this you have this print all over the gown, and it has like a very beautiful broad pattern. So I really love this. Even the material is really good. It's an organza material. And back of this gown you have this tassels, so you can tie this up. This is basically a pink organza gown, and this costed me around $13.79 and it's in the size L. So you can wear this in a party or any event. It's really beautiful. I really love this overall gown. And then the last one we have is this basic, you know, kurti set. So this is what it looks. It has like a very basic print all over this kurti, and it has like this side slits. So it's basically, you know, sleeveless, and I really love the print all over this kurti. So this comes with a pant and a dupatta. So this is what the palazzo looks like. So it has like a elastic waistband and, you know, basic pants, and you get a dupatta as well. So this is what the dupatta look like. So this is what the dupatta looks like. So it has this print at the end of the dupatta and this kind of frills. So yeah, so this is basically, you know, cotton material. I really love the cotton material to wear in summers. So this dress is basically 3/4 sleeves, and this costed me around $7.80 and it's in the size large. So yeah, it's basically, you know, very affordable. For $7.73 you're getting 3 sets, and I think you won't get, you know, such a reasonable prices in some other site. So Meesho is really good to get, you know, something reasonable and, you know, something designer outfit. So you can definitely give this a try. So yeah, this is the end of this video, and I'll meet you in my very next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.